concat method. Okay, like sys out str1 dot concat. Okay, then str3. Okay, suppose I am taking random way. So if we run it, now hello will print. Okay, so this method you can use to add 2 or 3 strings. Okay, like same way, like here you can also like add concat like string 2. Okay, so this way you can add multiple. Okay, this way you can add multiple string. Okay, so yeah, this is all about concat. You can get the same result also if you are not using concat, but even then also you can get the same result, like if you just use plus operator. Oh yeah, so now as you can see here also we are getting the same result, but obviously we have this method. If you want, you can use. Okay, like you can get any string length, even like if you use str1 dot length, then you can get the string length. Okay, right? So this length method can be useful when you are traversing each and every element of a string, right? Then you use this length method, right? So yeah, this method also we have to find out the length of a string. Next method we have str isEmpty. Okay, so basically this method will give you some boolean value, like particular string is empty or not. Okay, like here as you know, like str1 is not empty, right? Here we have hello this string, so obviously this method will give you false. But suppose if I am, okay, not sys out string, okay, str 5, and then like we have this. Okay, so now if you just compare this now, like str5 dot isEmpty, so now this method will give you true, because our thing is totally empty. We don't have any value, even the length of this string is 0. If you check the length of this string like str5, you can see it will give you 0. It means that any string can be empty when that particular string length is 0. Okay, so yeah, so same way we have another method also, is blank method. Okay, sys out str5 dot is blank. So basically if the particular string contains only the white space, then this method will give you true, otherwise this method will give you false. Okay, so str5 we don't have anything. Okay, like here I am using now space. Okay, so now if you run it, now it will give you true, because so isBlank method will give you true or false. Okay, so this method will give you true only when that particular string is totally empty, or it is only containing only white space, then only this method will give you true. But isEmpty method will check that particular string is empty or not. It means the length of that particular string is 0 or not. If the particular string length is 0, it means that your isEmpty method will always, then isEmpty method will give you true, because that particular string is really empty. But when you are changing this string to with a white space, now this isEmpty method will give you false. Why so? Because now this string is not empty, means the length of the particular string is 1. Okay, so now this method will give you false, but isBlank method will give you true, because this isBlank method will check two things. First, it will check the particular string is empty or not, and second, it will check the particular string is contains only white space or not. Okay, I think these two methods are really clear to you. Discussed before like ends with, I forgot to discuss about startsWith. We also have with starts out. Then you can startsWith method will check that particular string is starting with a particular character, means the character you are specifying. Like here, suppose I am specifying here H. Okay, if that particular string is starting with that particular character or the particular string that you are specifying is starting with a particular string or not. Okay, it will check that if the particular string is starting with the character or the string you are specifying, then it will give you true, otherwise the method will give you false. Okay, so if I just run it, then you can see it will give you true. Okay, obviously. But if I am specifying a HI, then obviously it is not starting with HI, it is starting with HELLO, this way, right? So now this method will give you false. Okay, so same way we have ends with, we have starts with method. Okay,